So today we're going to continue looking at the use of the plugin HOCKET. Now HOCKET is a MAXFORLIVE device. It consists of two parts. One is the sender and the other is the receiver. And essentially what you have is a sequence of MIDI notes. I'll just give you a quick blast. And you distribute the notes amongst as many voices as you want. So here we go. That's 2 voices, 3 voices, and so on. So if you'd like to learn a bit more about that, then please look at my other video. And then whilst you're sort of there, please remember to like and subscribe. So today we're going to be looking at the use of the random device and the scale device to constrain the outputs of the random device. So what I have here is a MIDI pattern that consists of 1 note. I'm going to turn the random plugin on. As you'd expect, it's random. There's a little bit of a difference between whether we run it in the random mode or the alt mode. The alt mode will sort of create kind of repeating patterns based on what's coming in. So as there's only 1 note coming in, it's essentially a repeating pattern. Whereas random will aim to give you lots of different outputs. So what I have here is a scale plugin that I'm using as a Lydian mode. So you can hear it. It's constrained to a particular key now, or mode. This is 2 voices. Now, if you've watched the other video, you will have seen that where I've had odd numbers of voices with an even distribution of 8th notes and an odd distribution of 8th notes with an even number of voices. The difference here is that because of the random plugin, even with just 2 voices, it tends to have a non-repeating aspect to it. Feeling of 3s in this particular figure. Now, if you watched the other video, you will have also seen that I have some of the operator synths that I'm using have different kind of tonalities in terms of their timbral qualities, but also they're in different registers as well. Now, we're just kind of getting to the end of this because everything's been listened to as sort of quite dry. So here we have a few effects, just basically reverb and delay. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this. It's a quick walkthrough. I do recommend getting the plugin. It is donationware, so do make a donation. As the developer says, your music will sound better because of it. Thank you very much for watching this. Please remember to like and subscribe, and there will be some more videos on this. Take care now.